Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be an AirPods unboxing and review video, and before to get into it, I just quickly want to tell you guys that this is the first video of my Vanillas World Special August series, where I'm going to be uploading every Tuesday and every Friday.
So I'm currently waiting for my AirPods to be delivered. Okay, so the store is right there. Oh my god, you guys, I literally just got them. Look at them. Oh my god. Also in the bag, which is like everything, always wanted one.
And then of course, let's move on with the unboxing and review of the AirPods. Honestly, I would 100% recommend them to you guys. I think they're so handy, they're so tiny and cute, and personally I think it's worth it to spend that much money to get a pair, especially if you listen to music 24/7. If you have your headphones on 24/7, I think it's nice to step up. As you can tell, the case is also engraving, so it has my name on it, which I think is super cute. Personally, I didn't spend the extra money to get a wireless case, so mine is a charging one, but I think it still does the job, and I feel like your phone would probably thank you if you got the AirPods, because I can't tell you guys the amount of times that my phone dropped because of the AirPods. So like I said, I think they're worth it, but let me know in the comments below what you think. Also, if you like this video, be sure to give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys on Tuesday for another video of this Vanilla Special August series. Bye!